Have you seen my other shoe? Miss Jessica, I think you're kind of drunk.
Don't worry about me. Maybe because today's party was so much fun.
Has everyone had fun today?
I'm sure they are very happy today.
I want to hold a party because we had tried a lot since the winter campaign of our company started.
Thank you for that.
How will you go home?
I'm gonna get a taxi because it's quite late. I'm afraid that there won't have any bus.
I will drive you home.
Never mind, I can go home alone.
No problem, because your house is on the same road as mine. It's so convenient.
So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for driving me home.
Don't mention that.
Be careful driving.
Okay. I want to remind you something.
Yes?
Please don't tell anyone I brought you home. You know, I'm afraid the gossipers will twist it into something else.
Sure, I remember. I fear that too.
Even though it's just that I want to help you, people won't think so.
I got it.
Good. I will go now.
Goodbye.
Honey, do you want to go out for dinner?
Sure.
Can you choose a restaurant for us?
I like beefsteak. Can we come to a beefsteak restaurant? We haven't eaten at a Western restaurant since your last birthday.
Of course. As long as you like it.
Thanks, honey. I will make up a bit. Wait for me some minutes.
Okay.
While you are driving, I'll talk to my friend on the phone for a bit.
Wait, what is that? Is that a shoe? That's right. Whose shoe is that? Why is it under the seat of my car? Why a high heel shoe? Oops, maybe it's Miss Jessica's. Oh, that's right, I took her home last night. Damn it, has she forgotten her shoe in my car? If Emily finds out, she'll get jealous. I have to throw this shoe away. Luckily, Emily hasn't seen it. That's great, I did it. Honey, we're here.
Okay, you park the car in. Have you called to reserve a table yet?
Don't worry, I booked a table before we started from home.
How attentive you are.
Get off the car, Emily.
Wait for me, please.
What are you looking for? I see you are struggling to find something.
Yes,
What is that? Do you need help?
I'm finding my other shoe. Have you seen my other shoe?
Your other shoe?
Yes, this is. I'm only wearing one, the one I took off just to relieve foot pain.
That red shoe?
Have you seen it?
Oh, no, I haven't.
That's so weird. Where can it be?
Maybe it flew out already?
No way.
Summary. We use the present perfect tense when we want to talk about unfinished actions or habits that started in the past and continue to the present. For example, we haven't eaten at a Western restaurant since your birthday. Have you seen my other shoe?
Has she forgotten her shoe in my car?
English Conversations in Real Life, Part 3. Do you prefer using cash or credit cards? Jane, I think I need to go withdraw money now. Why? You can use credit cards, can't you? I can, but I still want to have a little cash in my hand, just in case. Okay. Do you prefer using cash or credit cards? I prefer using credit cards over cash, of course. Why? It is easier and safer to carry credit cards over cash. That's right. Much easier, much safer. You know, I lost my wallet twice. I can ask banks to create my new card, but cash is lost forever. I always put cash in the pocket coat and forget them all. Is your writing beautiful? What are you doing, Matt? I'm writing a Christmas card. Really? Who will you send it for? Lily. Who is Lily? She is one of my classmates. She always helps me to do my exercises. Can I have a look at it? Here you are. I tried my best. Wow, your handwriting is so great. Thanks, Daddy. Is your handwriting beautiful? I don't think so. Yours is better. I've never seen it before. Do you want to write a Christmas card with me? Can I? Yes, I will help you to make one and then you can write on it. Thanks, my boy. Are you a tidy person? Hi, this is Jack. Hi, Jack, I'm Kyle. I got your message about a room for rent. Are you still interested in it? Yes, I am. I just wonder if I could ask you some questions. Are you a tidy person? To be honest, I'm not a highly organized person, but I'm a pretty neat person. I do love keeping my place tidy. Great. Are you a party animal? No, I'm an introvert, and I'm a quiet person. Perfect. Do you smoke? I used to, but at the moment, not. Excellent. Do you have any questions? There is a parking lot, right? Yes. Perfect. I will take it. When are you ready to move in? This weekend, if it's okay. No problem. I've read that book many times. Hey, sorry I'm late. That's fine, no worries. What are you doing? I'm reading the book. Can I take a look at it? Sure. To Kill a Mockingbird. This is a good book. Is it? Have you read it? I've read that book many times. Really? It's the first time I read this one. Yeah, it must be twice or 3 times. It must be an extremely impressive one. Absolutely. I read it the first time when I was 18 years old. Do you feel everything differently after reading it many times? Yes. Each time I read it again, I have my own different feeling. I'm really on the fence. Phoebe, why are you calling me at this time? You must have been on the plane now. I was late for my flight. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
What happened? Even you know you should be at the airport 1 hour in advance.
My clock is deaf, and the traffic was super terrible.
Oh my. What are you going to do now?
I'm really on the fence. I don't know what I need to do now.
Okay, calm down. Are there any other flights today?
No, it is the last flight to Chicago today.
Oh my.
I think I will take an early flight tomorrow morning.
I'm in debt. Hi, Lena.
Good morning.
What's up? You look really not good.
I'm so stressed out now.
Come on, you can tell me what happened. Maybe I can help.
I'm in debt.
Why? Is it a big debt?
I'm a shopaholic. I bought designer clothes and accessories that I can't afford.
You can try pay it by credit card.
I have even 2 credit cards, but all of them are maxed up.
Oh, it's quite serious.
I don't know what I should do now.
I think you should stop shopping right away.
Of course. I don't even have money to do it.
And save money from salary to get out of debt first. I know the interest from banks is a bit high. Keep silent, please.
Mommy, look what I have.
Shh! Keep silent, please. You can wake the baby up.
Okay, I see. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, little Leo.
What do you have, sweetie?
I made it by myself. Look.
What is it?
It's a Superman cloak. I made it for Leo.
Wow, you are a good brother, but Leo is not able to play Superman with you yet.
I know. I just made it in case when he grows up, he can become a Superman immediately.
Good boy.
Do you think he wants to be a Superman or a Spider-Man?
He may like Superman.
Perfect!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.